While rubber-tired skid steers work fine to operate this tool, you will experience a bumpy ride as an operator. That's why we prefer a track-based machine. The tracks are heavier, so they give the machine more ground weight and stability. And they also are harder, so they don't let the machine rock back and forth while the tool is cutting. It really comes down to operator comfort. That's why we recommend the tracks over rubber tires. We prefer the joystick controls. These are fly-by-wire controls, so everything is electronically sent down to the hydraulics. The reason we like that system, it makes it easier to maneuver the tool when you're inserting the guide shaft into the speed plate. Those operations become a lot easier. When you have an operator that's doing a lot of cutting in one day, it's really going to make his day go better to have these joystick controls. We like to have digital, proportional, hydraulic auxiliary controls. And that is the circuit that runs the auger drive. We like to be able to feather the hydraulic drive in and out to ease stresses on the cutter. So if at all possible, get a skid steer with that auxiliary hydraulic control that's variable so that you can feather in and feather out the rotation of the cutter. On the hydraulic auxiliary circuit, you must have at least 20 gallons a minute hydraulic flow. But if you have a machine with 35 gallons, which is considered high flow, that's a great feature to have with this. It'll really speed up your cutting in asphalt and softer materials. When you're cutting the harder concrete, you're going to want to slow that down. You may want to run it on the 20 gallons a minute side. When your operator is out cutting out the manholes and extracting them from the road, he has to carry certain things along with him. He's obviously got to have his speed plate. He needs a bar, a flat shovel, and he'll need something to remove the manhole lids. This is a handy item. It's called a rhino hook, so you can wrap on the lid to loosen it, and then you can use the hook part to pull the lid from the road. Nice to have a place to carry all of that. He's also going to need a place to carry the debris shield. You roll it up and put it on this little hook on the back. Now he's got everything he needs to go out, remove the lids, replace the speed plate, cut and extract the manholes. This unit is something that we actually made. We don't modify the skid steer at all. It's bolted right to the existing bolt holes that are on the frame. You can call support for more details on that. It's pretty simple to make. I recommend that everybody that's in a production mode has this setup. It's just going to ease your life and make things more safe.